Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Digit for business expense tracking. Digit isn't just for personal finances. You can also use it to organize and save for business related expenses if you're self-employed or you're running a small business. Let me show you how to do this. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Digit account. So open the Digit app, or you can just choose to log in via the web browser. So to get started, next, create a new savings goal. So just tap the create goal and name it something like, business expenses. It could be office supplies or quarterly taxes, whatever it is that you need. Just assign that a name. And once that's done, you're going to need to set a savings target. So enter exactly how much you typically spend each month or quarter on your business. You can also choose a deadline to help Digit pace your savings. Customize saving frequency. Enable automatic transfers or set a manual schedule. Could be weekly, monthly, or after paydays. And use Digit's ability to save based, of course, on your cash flow, or if your income fluctuates. Separate from personal savings. To stay organized, you want to avoid mixing business saving goals with personal ones. Keep them clearly labeled and grouped if possible. Add notes for specific purchases. For each business goal, you can add notes like, March marketing campaign or new laptops or whatever, and that's it makes it easy to categorize and identify expenses. Next, withdraw as needed. When it's time to cover a business expense, simply transfer the funds back to your checking account for payment. Digit makes it easier to stay on top of your business spendings by automating savings and keeping funds organized, so you can of course focus more on running your business. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.